restricted area prohibited by law. It's like unfinished skyscraper, metal stick holes in the floor, ventilation shafts, elevator shafts. Watch yourself, have fun, stay all together. No one will stop us.
3, 2, 1.
So now we're gonna do some urban exploring today, guys. We gotta be silent. See you inside. Scare me like that.
This is like crossing the border from Mexico to the United States.
We kinda lost the rest of the people, so see you when we're back with the models.
Oh my god, this is kind of creepy though. Me and Jonah right now, we're just in the abandoned building, but we have no idea where we are.
Okay, now we got a little fitness session, 25 staircases to go up.
We're almost there, floor 2 of 25.
We are Vagabond. We create our own path. We explore boundaries. We touch the edge. Don't be afraid to be yourself. Instead, go all in and take the risk. Bet on you. Follow along with our adventures. Get motivated. Get inspired. Live more and live it now.
JC's getting ready to take his famous group shot. So there's JC. There are the girls. We're gonna snap some video for you guys. And let the pros do the rest with the shoots.
Everybody, all the girls at least. Some more girls go down.
Badass.
Get tough. Yeah, we can do a butt shot. All the butts to us. Popas, Poppy, Papaya. I don't know. 3, 2, 1.
You can just indeed be waving to the drone. Right, 3, 2, 1. Bye bye. Natasha, come here for 1 second. You walk with the drone. Boom, and that's how you quickly get some killer drone shots, baby. I think it's time to go check out what all the photographers are doing. We got Mike here, shooting some badass photos of Alessia. Oh wait, you're using a cigarette as a...
I used the cigarette with what is smoke.
I was gonna say, Mike is multitasking, he's smoking and shooting, but it's actually a prop for the photos.
I don't wanna cause no problems. I just wanna live my life, but I keep on hearing about nonsense. Me and my dons ain't mobsters, but you know when you see imposters, we know how to read them faces, same way you know how to read them.
We gotta go back to Mike, because a pretty interesting pose here going on with Alessia. I think I have to come and give JC a hug, because he looks a little bit stressed seeing Alessia.
Yes, I'm always a little bit stressed by her wildness, but it's also one of her nicest aspects.
Mission control, it appears we've had a major
3,
malfunction.
2, 1.
Here we have Brandon, baby, the one and only Brandon.
Oh yeah.
You might have seen him in the videos of Tulum.
That's true, doing acro yoga. Yep.
He's fit and a good photographer.
Yep.
2 in 1, baby. Here we got somebody shooting with the big boy lens. I'm a small boy, you know, but hey, I hope I still get the shots for you guys. Oh, I like the pose. Sorry, guy, I gotta grab some video here as well. Can you, while I shoot, be moving your legs a little bit like this? Yeah, that looks super good. With the view of Kyiv in the background.
Everywhere I go, the people really wanna know who I is and who I be. They stop and stare when they see me. If I said it once, no need to repeat. Run up on me, watch you fall to your...
Ronaldo is checking the shots here.
Yeah.
Yeah. But I like the pose. Can I actually shoot some video of that?
I am the boss, I am the Don, I am the one they call Lucky Charm. Got my own shit, I don't need your farm. Life was so hard, it made me weak. Built to last, this girl ain't weak. Sturdy and still when I plant my feet. Got it out the mud, now it's racks in my sleep. Look to God, he supplies my needs. Endless
Fall that you probably know. It's Natasha. Oh my god. Oh my god. We almost lose the accessory 25 floors down. Still got it. How do you like it the first day, Natasha?
I like it. It's a little bit cold, but because of we move a lot, it's good.
And it's good for the shots with the hard nipples. Kind of a bonus for some shots. What's up, Vagabonds? Come explore the world with us. As you maybe know, we organize photo and video workshops. They're called Vagabond Vacations. Check them out on our website, vagabondvacations.com. All the new locations are there. We just released them. Super excited about it. Check it out because we only have 10 spots per event. We want to keep it personal and a unique experience for you. So vagabondvacations.com. Hope to see you there.
On fire. Warm up, girls.
You do the things that you do. You my hot cocoa on a cold night. You got my heart and you hold tight. I'm a blessed man to call you wife. Don't need no mistletoes, I'll give you gifts.
We had to climb 25 stairs for this. But I think it's kind of worth a view, right?
Which view are you talking about?
Well, the combination, the cocktail of everything, yeah? The Vagabond cocktail of some adventure and girls.
The mixture.
Yeah, it's not a bad cocktail.
There you go.
Yeah, this was almost the first accident. I was walking, checking my shot, I was like, ooh, nice shot. And I felt it. Luckily, I think we can prank JC pretty hard if I make a sound of like, ah! JC's gonna be like super scared. So you know what, we're not gonna do it. We don't wanna get him a heart attack. So we'll just keep taking awesome shots, I guess. 20,000 likes and next time we give JC a heart attack. The shot with you walking here with these black things is kind of cool. I love them, yes. Perfect. Except now that JC is maybe gonna get his heart attack because he thinks Alessia fell down the roof.
I heard someone from the top, I will go to check.
We have some guests, a young 13 years old schoolboys are visiting us. Let's go and catch them.
Got a new vlogger in the house.
I know it's not them. Okay, they are not already here. I think they went eating borscht. Mama called them.
I like that the models found ways to keep themselves warm. Yeah, dancing is the best way to keep yourself warm and stay fit. You know, it's perfect for everything. I don't want to pee on people, you know. So... Oh, I feel bad. I wanted ultimate freedom, being downstairs, and I actually checked if there were people there. You know, so like there's no people. It's just a park with no people in the park. But I still felt bad. I was like, shit, I really don't want to pee on people. So, well, yeah, now we peed on the roof, but the rain is gonna wash it away. It's all good, it's all good.
Look, they can never keep me down, I'm going, and if I ever...
The final shots, we're gonna do a smoke bomb. That's always fucking fun, right? Smoke bombs. I think all the girls for the group shots, and somebody's gonna be the fearless leader and cover everybody with smoke. Well, not cover, hopefully, because we want to see the girls. But, oh, the drone almost gave me a heart attack. Okay, we finished the shoot. All the models are still alive, all the photographers are still alive. So I would call it a success. See you on the next day of Vagabond Vacation Kyiv. Like and subscribe, or we're gonna throw you off at URBEX location if we find you and you didn't like or subscribed.
Look, they can never keep me down, I'm going, and if I ever fail, just know I'll go again. I never quit, cause I know that every loss may lead to another win. I'm going up.